chapter, we are going to study about elements, compounds, and mixture. Okay. So, what is the name of chapter? What is the name of chapter? Elements, compounds, and mixture. So, all materials, objects found around are either in solid, liquid. Oh. Hello. Hello. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. But again, I'm joining. Wait. Again, I'm joining. Now clear? Now clear? Back? Now my voice is clear? Okay. So we are going to study about elements, compounds, and mixture. Okay. So elements, compound, and mixture. All materials, objects found around are either in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. So anything in our space, okay. So they are found either in the solid form, liquid form, or gaseous form. Okay, there are three forms of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, but they classify matter into three types. What are the types of matter? They classified into three types, which is elements, compound, and mixture. Elements, compounds, and mixture. So in this chapter, we are going to study about elements, compounds, and mixture. So suppose this is compound, means water is a compound. Compound is that material which is made up of two or more elements. Compound is that substance which is made up of two or more elements. Okay, so water is a compound. Water is made up of two elements. First element is oxygen and second element is hydrogen. Clear? Water is made up of two elements. First element is oxygen and second element is hydrogen. And similarly, tea we drink is a mixture of several components. Tea is a mixture of several components. So what we use in a tea? What we use in tea? Water, tea leaves, sugar, and milk. So these are the mixture. Okay. Tea is a mixture of water, tea leaves, sugar, and milk. Similarly, compound. Water is a compound. Water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. Clear? Mac, my voice is clear or not? My voice is clear or not? Okay, I will send you also video, okay? Because I am at home and there is some network problem is there, I think. Okay? But I am at home. That's why I think there is some network problem is there. So important terms and their definitions. First important term is element. It is a pure substance. It is a pure substance and the basic unit of matter. It cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by any means. Okay? So any substance which cannot be broken down, which cannot be divided further. Okay? Any substance which cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substance, which cannot be broken further into simpler substance. So that's why they call the element as basic unit of matter. Okay, basic means starting unit of matter. Okay, smallest unit, smallest unit. Clear? Which cannot be broken down into other substances. Okay. So next is atom. It is the basic unit of element which may or may not exist on its own. It is divisible into the nucleus at the center, which contain positive charge particle called protons and neutral particles called neutrons and electron revolving around the nucleus. So in element there is a basic term, basic unit. Okay, element is made up of atoms. Element is made up of atoms. Okay, so any I will send you this video, you will see there. Okay, because some network problem is there. So atom is the basic unit of element, means elements are made up of atoms. And what is atom? Atom is the basic unit of element. It is divisible into nucleus at the center. Okay, so in the center there is a nucleus. Nucleus is there in the atom. So what is in the nucleus? There are positive positively charged particles, positively charged particles called protons, and neutral particles called neutrons. So in the nucleus there are two types of particles: positively charged particles that are called protons and neutral particles that are called neutrons. So in the nucleus protons and neutrons are there, and there is one another particles called electrons that are revolving around the nucleus. Okay, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are present in the center of atom and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Clear? So just remember these two terms, elements and atom. Okay.